Introducing the new Ego mini bike. Goes up to 28 miles per hour. It is rated for person 16 years or older, and it's got a Ego mode, a normal mode, and a sport mode. So you have 3 different settings depending on how fast you want to go or your age. So I'm just going to explain the operation, how to get this thing started, and then we'll take off. So you'll want to grab the key. It comes with 2 keys. You'll put it in the ignition, turn it on, and the screen will light up. Next, you'll straddle the machine, take off the kickstand, push the ready button, right here is the ready button. When you do that, so originally it's going to blink, you'll push it, and then it should stay solid. And that means you're ready to go. Some of the different features on the handlebars. We have the brakes. There's one on each side for each wheel. We've got a horn. We've got the headlights. You have lights and brights. Or you can turn them off. We also have, here is where your Eco, normal, and sport mode is, and the switch is right here. So you can change it to normal or to sport. Sport will only work, that's the one that goes up to 28 mile per hour, if you have your high limiting speed setting on. If you turn that off, only the normal and the Eco works. On the screen, you can also see your battery charge, how much life you have left in your battery. To get to the batteries, you'll have to take the key out, and put it in right here. Turn it clockwise, and the battery access is right here. You have a spot for 2 batteries. It comes with 2 7.5 amp hour batteries, and they just slide in right in there. There is also a storage compartment on this. If you turn it counterclockwise, the storage compartment opens, and you can actually store another battery in here. So if you're out riding and these go bad, you can put in your fresh battery and go a little while longer. It does have a 20-mile range, so you can go up to 20 miles on the 2 batteries that come with it. But if you have an extra battery, you can go even longer. Alrighty, let's take off. Make sure you're wearing a safety approved helmet. And we'll take off. Key on. Put up the kickstand. Hit the ready button. And here we go.